Well, time to get back to work. Time for business. Time for YouTube. And today we're going to be covering a very important topic to get you views, to get you length of views, and to get you subscribers on YouTube. And that topic, that topic is content marketing. Sounds like an old school term, but content marketing is what's going to make you a success on YouTube. Stay tuned. So what are the secrets? The secrets of those that get lots of views, length of views, and lots of subscribers. Well, it's content marketing. And content marketing boils down to the content of the videos on your channel. How well are they thought out? The wow factor of your videos. Are they fun? Do people say, hey, that guy or that girl, they do a good job of delivering material? Or, there's some really interesting facts on that channel that I haven't heard before. Or, the way the show is delivered is interesting. Or, hey, it's really entertaining. There's great animations. Or, hey, I found some very, very wide-ranging stuff on there that's actually helped me get more views on my YouTube channel. Now what does that do? That gets that viewer not only to come back again, to subscribe, and to hit that bell so they know when the next video is coming. And by the way, subscribe and hit that bell and the thumbs up like, I'd really appreciate it. But when you get material that contains expertise, that has great pictures that are displaying what you're doing, and is also entertaining, well, you've provided something that's different from 99% of what's out there on YouTube. Rather than somebody preening and showing you how great they are, somebody's actually giving you what you're looking for. How to make a YouTube channel great. So what are the 4 main characteristics that make content marketing work? Number 1, content marketing done right. This is the definition of it. If it's done right, you will get more views. The people that come to your channel to view will be there for an average longer time, and you will get subscribers out of those people. Now, how can we say, well, why is that a definition of content marketing? Because content marketing is a very general term. It has to do with the way that you're making videos and the way that your channel is building its content. If those things are happening, you are involved in content marketing because you're creating a channel that has content that people want to watch for a longer and longer period of time. Number 2, content marketing equals good content equals subscribers. Now, why do people subscribe to a channel? They subscribe to a channel because it has information that they want. They subscribe to a channel because it stays topically on what they want. And they subscribe to a channel because every once in a while, the guy or the girl running the channel goes crazy and gives them some wild stuff that was kind of interesting, and they're happy they're subscribed to the channel. Like those 5 crazy cartoon volumes that if you haven't watched, you might want to. I had a time in my life where I restored lots and lots of cartoons. And there were a bunch that I couldn't put out because they were just too weird, or too racist, or too obsolete, too much about World War II. Well, I put them all out there for you to see them, and people evidently really liked them. I got a lot more subscribers, a lot more views, and about 500 hours of view time on them so far. And that's some of the fun things that you can do, as long as you have 30 or 40 informational videos on the content that is along one line of information. Then you can put out 4 or 5 entertaining, fun things in between there, and people can watch them or not watch them, because your core of information is still there. The core of this channel is business, marketing, and making YouTube better. What's number 3? Third most important thing of content marketing is having a full set of branded social media that relates to your channel. Oh, I don't want to do that. Social media is so old. Well, it's not. And it's very easy to market from social media on YouTube. That little bar down below the video, that's for other people to market to their social media that they're looking at your video. But very few people do that. The way that you market is you have your social media channels built, and you get as many people to follow you on your social media channels by sharing out all the information on your YouTube channel and all the blogs on your corresponding website. I would hope that many of your social media is already built out, because if you're an expert in something, you've decided to do YouTube, you probably already have a website. So you would share the blogs, you would share the pages, you would share things about yourself like you would on any Facebook or YouTube or Pinterest. Blogger is a really good one because it goes directly into Google search. And you share every day one of your videos, and every time you release a new video, you share it the first day, the second day, and the third day to all of your social medias, even that horrible Reddit. I just don't like Reddit, but I do get things back from it. Tumblr, I don't like Tumblr, but doesn't matter. I get views from Tumblr. One of you may be looking at this video from a Tumblr invite. Regardless, you want to use social media, that's all part of content marketing. And yeah, it's old school and it was invented for websites, but it works all the better for YouTube. And if you don't do that, you're not going to get to your 1,000 subscribers unless you buy them. And if you buy them, they're not really 1,000 subscribers. They're just, I won't say the term, JYSO. They're not really subscribers. They're not really watching you. You just bought them. You have to build your subscribers. The reason YouTube wants you to build 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is to show that you actually have a following. And the way that you build a following is by having good topical information, all on one topic, entertaining, develop a style, a social media family built around it that you share to constantly, and draw people in from Google, from social media, from other areas. This shows them that you can bring in an audience. Then they send you advertisers, you end up making money, then you end up reviewing products, you end up making money off of that, or you just have a real popular channel talking about whatever it is you want to talk about. But if you buy YouTube subscribers, they're not real subscribers. They're just a bot subscribing to your channel. So you're talking to your camera and nobody behind the camera. So build your channel the right way. The right way to do it is content marketing. Number 4, the final important part of content marketing. SEO. Now you hear all sorts of different experts talk about all different types of SEO. And each one of these things that are the SEO of a YouTube channel have their own expert. In fact, several experts that you can go watch and learn how to do them very well. TubeBuddy is a really good thing to get to help you with these. But the SEO that's involved with YouTube is title, description, tags, and thumbnail. You have those 4 things right, you're going to start getting 5 to 10 views a week off of every video. You get to 20 or 30 videos, when you start seeing an average of 500 views a week, an average of 50 to 100 hours a week, without a new premiere every week or twice a week, those subscribers are going to come quickly. The view times are going to come quickly. The 20,000 mark, 30,000 mark, 40,000 mark of views are going to come quickly, and you're going to be a big success. Thanks for joining Make Business Smarter today. I hope we've given you a little bit of knowledge. The next one is going to be on content marketing and the coronavirus. How you can use the coronavirus as content in one of your videos, staying on topic of your channel. I'm going to show you how I can give you some information that you don't know about the coronavirus and how to protect yourself in a way that also fits with the information of my channel, and show you how you can work that in to your own channel. I hope today we've made you just a little bit smarter.